Hello guys, so today it's another vlog. In today's vlog guys, we have two new products from the Zhiyun. We have the Fiveray M20 and the Fiveray M20c. So this is a daylight and this is an RGB. So we will unbox and check the quality of these two new product LED packet size from Zhiyun. Zion. Oh, bahala na kayo. So let's unbox guys. First, this is the box of the M20 Fiveray. Okay. So I'll not show you all the details that we have, but for sure you have the charger and pouch. That's it. And you have also here the bundles. Yeah, right. It's magnetic bundles. Yeah. So this is the MC20. And also on the other side is first you have your manual, pouch, charger, USB-C. Yeah, then this is the Fiveray M20c, which is at the back. You can see it's already with the RGB. Yeah, so it's written RGB, and the other side is M20. So okay, this is both have USB-C and pouch. Let's see the pouch. Yun, it's a silver, shining, shimmering, and pouch from Zhiyun. May tatak na Zhiyun yan. Yan. Or Zion or Zhiyun. Bahala na kayo. So, okay. Okay, you have already the magnetic barn door with the diffuser. So you will select guys, either diffuser, grid, you have the grid, or just the barn door. The best thing of barn door, when you want to fold, there's already number from 4, 3, 1, and 2. So I make a mistake. So 1, 2, 3. So you have numbering from the side. So you select either you would use only just the diffuser, and it's magnetic. Kamali pa, yan, malit, baliktad, okay? Or the grid, it's a magnetic. Okay, grid or the barn doors. Yeah, so this is the light, LED light. So let's try to power on. I hope there's a battery, and long press, then long press. Single press, then long press. Okay, let's see the power of this RGB. So this is RGB. You have okay, language. You can select by language. And Japanese or Chinese, sorry. You can check the see. So this is the RGB. Go for menu. This is dim. You can dim. This is 100%. Okay. Tungsten and daylight. Of course, you have 2,500 from your daylight, tungsten and daylight, which is 10,000, I believe, or 10,000 Kelvin to 2,500 Kelvin. Yeah. RGB. Let's select. Okay. Use saturation. Select. Okay, dim. Disco effects. And the battery is there. So, but you can charge by USB-C. Yeah. And you can clip. So this is a clippable. And then you have accessories on this. So you can clip something. And you have a cold shoe side by side, cold shoe, cold shoe, cold shoe, and cold shoe both sides. And you have already hot shoe adapter. So yeah, and also similar with the daylight. The only difference with these two is, again, this is RGB and this is tungsten and daylight only. But overall guys, the design and everything, it's totally the same. So yan guys, either if you want the RGB with tungsten and daylight, of course, or if you need only just the daylight and tungsten, then you can go with the M20. So, yeah guys, if you are looking and searching again for a pocket size, not even pocket, or a small type of RGB and uh, daylight or tungsten, check this new Fiveray from Zhiyun M20, M20, and the M20c. So guys, with the bandurs, of course, with the accessories. So what else you are looking on this? Oh, and again, you can put all together. Yeah, this is a cold shoe, so it become one. So, for example, you have 4 pieces of daylight, then you can, or RGB, so you can extend, right? But powered by USB-C. So yeah guys, I think that's it for today. This is a quick unbox and check the Zhiyun, the new Zhiyun M20 and M20c RGB. So yeah, if you want to check the price and availability of this M20 and M20c or any Zhiyun or Zhiyun product that we have here in AB World, you can visit our website www.abworld.com. Again, if you want to check all the price from Zhiyun product, check our website www.abworld.com. Hanggang dito lang. Thank you and mabuhay.